Hi, I'm Abby and I'm a teen ambassador at Owens Park. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a tissue paper flower like this one. The materials you're going to need for this project are tissue paper, scissors, and a stapler. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate two pieces of tissue paper from my big stack because you only need two for the project. So now that I have my two pieces, I'm going to unfold it so that they're just stacked right on top of each other. So my first step is to fold it in half like this. Now once you have it folded in half, you're going to fold it in half the other direction. And we're trying to make a perfect square. So we're going to take the side that has all of the unattached pieces, not a folded edge, and fold one of those corners up towards the other edge in order to make a triangle like this. Now we're going to cut the excess paper, the strip on the side, off. So you should cut this strip off and you don't need that anymore. And then when you unfold it, it's a perfect square. And then this one side still has a fold. So what you want to do is you want to cut that fold along the line so that it's separate. Each piece is separated and none of them are attached. So now that all of my pieces are separated, I'm going to do what's called an accordion fold. So I'm going to start by folding about 1 inch forward, and then I'm going to flip it over and about 1 inch back, and then 1 inch forward. I'm going to keep making folds like this till I reach the end of the tissue paper. It should be about 7 folds, more or less is fine, just however many folds you can fit. Once you're done folding your paper, you're going to staple it in the middle to hold everything together. The next step is to make the petals look nice. So what we're going to do is take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut a curve on the edge of each side. It's a little hard to cut, but you just have to cut a curve. So there's like one side with a curve. I missed a piece. So there's one side with a curve, and then you also do it to the other side. So now your paper should look like this. Now the last step is to unfold each layer. So I'm starting on this top part, and I'm just gonna peel one layer at a time out. Try not to rip them, so be gentle, but it's okay because there are so many layers if you rip it every once in a while. So when you start to fold it out, it'll take shape like a flower like this. And do it on both sides of it. Now I have my first side done, and I'm going to move on to the other side. And now that both sides are unfolded, you can just fluff it out and you're done. I hope you enjoyed making these tissue paper flowers.